Welcome back to Leemah's Kitchen. In this video, I'll be sharing my potato and beef stir fry recipe. This is a very easy meal if you want to cook something quickly for lunch or dinner, so stay tuned to see how to make it. So I'm going to be starting off by peeling the potatoes. Then I'm cutting the potatoes into thin slices. I'm greasing my oven tray with some cooking oil ready for my potatoes, so I can put them in the oven and grill at 200 degrees for about 25 minutes. I'm going to start with the stir fry while the potatoes are in the oven. So I'm starting off by putting some cooking oil in the pan, then I'll add in the onions and fry them till they're translucent. Now I'm adding the seasoned diced beef. I like my beef well done, so I'm sauteing the beef first, then I'll leave it to fry for about 5 minutes till all the sides are grey, and then I know it's all cooked through. Now I'm adding in my mixed vegetables, then some crushed seasoning cubes and salt. To spice this up, I'll be adding Cameroon pepper. Please make sure you skip this step or reduce the quantity if you can't handle spicy food. Then I'll add some thyme for extra flavor. I'm going to keep stir frying for about 2 minutes so all the flavor gets in while the vegetables are getting slightly cooked. You don't have to use beef for this recipe. You can use chicken or prawns or any other form of meat of choice. Also, if you're vegetarian, you can just take out the beef and substitute for something else. Finally, I'll be adding in the grilled potatoes, and then I'll stir that in with the other ingredients in the pan for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. This recipe was literally something I came up with when I was bored at uni. Ever since I came up with it and it turned out nice, I've been eating it ever since. So I probably eat this like every other week, if not more. Thanks for cooking with me. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.